So let's check your heartbeat. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, that's good. Now, let's do a shot, okay? Let's take you out. Okay, let's tap right on your tail. Boop. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay. There's actually going to be 2 shots, so put you back in here. Actually, you can release back to the wild. You can release back to the wild too. Okay. Now let's check on you. Okay. It looks like you can fly. Release back in the wild. Okay. You're big. Not well yet. Let's see if you can walk. Yep, you can walk. Good. Okay. Now you can swim until you're not climb. Okay, so you have not runny nose anymore. Okay, I hope you liked this video. Make sure you see more videos. Bye. Bye.